YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox my brand new Note 4 original battery. So let's go ahead and then get it started, shall we? Let's see. Hopefully it's the original battery. It's in a shrink wrap. So check it out. I've got this out of eBay, so it's kind of skeptical because there's a lot of sellers selling the original battery, but somehow it turns out to be a fake one, so I gotta check. So this is my original battery. Somehow the case is, you could tell it is kind of different by the way it makes. It's more like more boxy. And then this is more smoother. But both of them had like a Samsung emboss on there. So let's check it out, side by side comparison. So this is my fourth battery, so let me check. And then this is the second and the third one. Somehow it does not have the recycle icon on there, on the new one. And then the NOM. And then the lettering is totally different. Anyway, I'm going to put it in here and then see if it works. So yeah, somehow the texture on the original one is more smoother. And then right here is more like you can feel the roughness. So it shows 50%. So far so good right now. Let me check. Yeah, so far so good. And when you get your battery, if you have a restarting problem, hopefully it's not. You gotta watch out for the battery drain. Make sure it's not draining too fast. If your battery draining too fast after you got the battery, that means you most likely this battery will be the fake battery. So yeah, I'm gonna charge it for like probably a couple hours, and then let it fully charge. So be sure not to use a fast charger because it heats up your battery, and then you might damage your battery again to make it all swell up like that. Okay, see, this thing is so thick compared to this one. So this is what happens if you keep on charging your battery overnight and keep on plugging in. All right. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, and drop any comments on below. See you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.